Hello to all. Hope everyone is fine and doing great and spending time with the family. Hope everyone is happy and willingful person with the learning of a new stock market and a new age. Okay, so now let's talk about what's going on the market and what was our view and what market gave to us. Okay, so then we will talk about our data and the next trades possibility. Okay, so today we will do it in Hindi because some subscriber asking me in Hindi, but I was trying English. Okay, let's do it in Hindi now. So कल के दिन अपना व्यू था कि यहाँ से अपन अगर कोई शॉर्ट मिला तो अपन शॉर्ट कर लेंगे, कि मतलब फ्लैट होगा तो फ्लैट, अगर ओपनिंग होती है तो यहाँ से शॉर्ट कर लेंगे। एंड मार्केट ने यहाँ से काफी अच्छा शॉर्ट भी दिया और यहाँ से जब तीसरी कैंडल क्लोज हो गई यहाँ पे इसी के नीचे, जब रेसिस्टेंस के नीचे, देन आई टुक ए शॉर्ट एंड दिस वाज ए गुड स्कैल्प मूव विद इन टू कैंडल मार्केट गैव। And after this I did not trade it in the Nifty, and this was market Nifty shifting up। ये मार्केट ने जैसे ही अप मूव दिया, मार्केट यहाँ से जैसे रेसिस्टेंस के ऊपर गया तो मार्केट ने कोई भी कैंडल, ये जो रेसिस्टेंस है उसके ऊपर सस्टेनिंग, मतलब इससे दूर कोई भी कैंडल ग्रीन क्लोज नहीं की है, जो कि इस प्रीवियस कैंडल से भी ऊपर हो। सो मार्केट कैम डाउन एंड market again up, but according to some rules we can do longs to only above previous high, in intraday previous high. So if you did it, you got a great move, and this was over first resistance or the first level. So Nifty 50 not crossed over first resistance. We got a good simple moves or simple resistance respecting day and a simple day in Nifty 50. Okay, and about this move I clearly told this we got a single red candle, you can sort it for some of these levels. You can sort it here or you can sort it here. Means 1790 और 17740. Okay, so you can sort on this level market they can fall or this simple. Okay, if you got a gap up, or you can wait for this entry which is 1724. Okay, so this was over। सो हम ऊपर की साइड में वेट करते कि ऊपर की साइड में रेसिस्टेंस एज ए सपोर्ट वर्क करता तो हम ऊपर की साइड में जाते, बट वो अपने को नहीं मिला। सो अपने को शॉर्ट एंट्री मिली, सो हमने उसको शॉर्ट कर लिया। ओके, दैट्स इट, सिंपल। सो नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द ओवर बैंक निफ्टी, माय फेवरेट इंडेक्स टू ट्रेड due to some advantage in the bank nifty and due to some camouflagic work of the Nifty 50. Okay, so in the bank nifty we got a good pullback to the resistance, but according to our spot entry, this was our spot entry, and we did it, I did it, but to the resistance respect I closed it on the this way, and I booked half and I waited for cross that resistance. Okay, so after this resistance cross, I again made a long entry to that candle after closing it. Okay, so market gave a good again move, and on this level market was respecting this resistance. Okay, so on this resistance respect, I gave a call on the telegram, so for the short it on below this line, but price not came to entry level, so market gave up with the spike, and again market give a resistance respect candles on that level, and market again making some soapy, very soapy candles here, and market crossed it with a green candle, and market goes up again. So today's market was for the people who can sit peacefully without doing scalping. So if anyone did it, so he made a good bucks, and if anyone was a scalper and a non-peasant people, so he was like sorting here or sorting here or something like this. So hope you did something great, and today's day was a something messy day, nothing special. And let's now talk about tomorrow's view. Okay, now talk about tomorrow's view. Tomorrow's view is simple. Tomorrow's view is market go up, and this is a resistance, and market 2 1 2 3 time already resistance respected, but the resistance respect move is still under pending. So we can see a gap down or a flat opening tomorrow. Okay, so this is the most probability we can see. So tomorrow we can see this level again, and you can say this level. Okay, so we can see Nifty 50 on that level, which is 17,850. I can write it here, 17,850. Okay, so we can see here, if we got a entry to this level, you can go up for a long to this level with this SL. Okay, or if you got a flat or a near here entry, so you can sort it at here also. Okay, so and if we got a more gap of entry, so this is our resistance. Okay, which is 18,020. This is our resistance for tomorrow, and this is a very big resistance, very important. This is very important. This is a VIP person for tomorrow, you can say. So this is our next resistance, so you can sort to that level if you got a gap up, or you can go for long to this level. Okay, you can do to this way, or you can do to this way. Okay, if you get a flat opening to this level, so you can go for up move. Okay, but you should wait, or maximum probability for the trade is only to this or this. If we got a flat opening between these price, don't take that trade. Okay, if you are trading with the more probability or more accuracy trades, so don't trade on it, trade only on these or these entries. Okay, so now let's talk about bank nifty. So in the bank nifty, same scenario we got a resistance here. This is our resistance, and first our target was this one for the yesterday for today, but the market go more up, and this was our a last resistance. Actually, this was our last resistance, and we got a bullish move today. So we got all the resistance respect, or all the resistance test today. So now wait for tomorrow. So tomorrow you can sort, if you got entry from that level, you can long. Okay, if you got a flat opening, you can sort to this level, you can sort. Okay, and if you get a gap down opening, you can go long to this level, which is, I can write 17. So this is 17. So okay, और this is 37,840, 37,840, and this is the same in Bank Nifty. Don't try to trade if we got a flat opening on this range, okay, sort it on this price or go for long to this price, okay. So now let's talk what's going in the Nifty and what we can give. So over the next resistance for the Bank Nifty is more up, but I know market can't test this much high for the tomorrow, and this is our next resistance, okay. So you can sort to these levels, which is 38,025, okay, and next is 38,200, you can say 38,220, okay, 38,220, 38,220. This is the simple way you can trade for tomorrow. Otherwise, don't try to trade on the this range. And what is the motto? What is the levels? This is the levels which is I already given to this way, and I will always giving these levels to the Twitter also, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at all level with the without drawing. Actually, I am explaining all the things so we all get a clear view. So that's why I am explaining with the whole drawing and everything. So hope you can understand my vision for giving you better view and clear vision and crystal clear things. So hope you can trade well on the basis of technical analysis. Now let's talk about data. So let's talk about data. What data saying to us? Data saying FII carrying a 3,512 लॉन्ग एंड 1,548 शॉर्ट, ओके, मीन्स उन्होंने कुछ शॉर्ट बुक किए हैं और कुछ लॉन्ग ऐड किए हैं, ओके, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, नथिंग स्पेशल। एंड कॉल लॉन्ग बुक कर लिया उन्होंने काफी, और कॉल शॉर्ट ऐड किए हैं, मीन्स वी विल नॉट गो मच up again, as our technical analysis was saying, we can't go more up as the resistance there. So put long and put short already. So put long saying we will get a pullback or resistance respected move tomorrow, or we can give a sideways time we now. And stock future longs is 38,150 and short is 48 something, nearly 50,000, or this is nearly 38. So short is already as yesterday I was saying that we should be conscious for the Nifty future. Actually stock future also giving some bearish pressure, and if we spend one more day in today's range and this new short already more one-sided adding, so this will be a cautious view for us. And call long is 4880, okay, call long is nothing new, or call short is almost same in this, and this is not a, so call short or call long, okay. So put long or put short, this is nothing new here, and this is also showing some bearishness. So we can say we can trade for the sideways or resistance respected move, or a spot resistance respected move. Don't try to enter in the same range as I mentioned in the technical analysis, okay. So hope you got my point. and have a nice day and take care and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.